A very good morning, my dear children. Today is a very special day, Children's Day. Children's Day, also called Bal Divas. 14 November marked the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His great passion and love for children is very reason that his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. Post his death in 1964.
Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Children called him Chacha Nehru. He always wanted children to have a fulfilled childhood and higher education. His great love for those and children is a well-known fact. He always compared two of them saying, children are like birds in a garden. They have to be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. And you, dear children, are the real strength of a country and the very foundation of society. So, children, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a safe Diwali. Thank you.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आंखों के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे. You are the most innocent and lovable living creature. You are all far away from miseries, sufferings, problems that are around us, and you can also help us come out of all this in no time. I wish you all a very, very happy Children's Day and a safe Diwali. Learn to obey your parents, your elders, give respect to them, and become a good human being and a valuable asset to the society.
खबर न होती कुछ सुबह की, ना कोई शाम का ठिकाना था, थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने तो जरूर जाना था। बच्चों, यह कविता मैं आप सबके लिए लिखी। आप सबका बचपन भी ठीक ऐसे ही है, नटखट, चंचल और मन के भोले हो आप सब, तथा साथ ही साथ हम सब शिक्षकों के बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हो। बच्चों, इस बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मैं यही आशीष देना चाहूंगी कि आप सब इसी तरह जीवन पथ पर हंसते खेलते हुए आगे बढ़िए और जीवन में अपना पूरे विश्व में अपना नाम ऊंचा कीजिए। बाल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में यही मेरा आशीष है आप सबके साथ, और साथ ही साथ बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Every year we celebrate this year with great pomp and show. Teachers, dance and song presentations was always a big surprise to you all. But this is the year which is very different and extraordinary due to the pandemic. Nevertheless, our love and feelings for you all is no less this year. So we wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a happy, healthy and bright future.
Good morning students, Happy Children's Day to all of you. आज आप सबको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो बच्चों, 14 नवंबर को ही बाल दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि 1964 27 मई को पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के निधन के बाद बच्चों के प्रति उनके प्यार को देखते हुए यह फैसला लिया गया कि अब से हर साल 14 नवंबर को चाचा नेहरू के जन्मदिन दिवस पर बाल दिवस मनाया जाएगा। इसके बाद से ही हर साल 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस दिन को बचपन का जश्न मनाने के लिए चुना गया है। बच्चों, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे एंड बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आप सबके लिए एक प्यारी सी छोटी सी कविता मैंने लिखी है, कविता मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। चाचा नेहरू आपको सलाम, अमन शांति का दे पैगाम, जग को जंग तूने बचाया, किया अपना जन्मदिन बच्चों के नाम, किया सबके मन को भाते चाचा नेहरू, बच्चों को हंसाते चाचा नेहरू। दिल में भरा अनोखा प्यार, करते वो बच्चों को प्यार। बच्चों हैं देश की प्रगति का आधार, हम सब करते बच्चे से प्यार। चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस बाल दिवस का है आधार। सच्चे हृदय और मन के न्यारे बच्चे, चाचा नेहरू के प्यारे बच्चे। इनकी चंचलता सबको भाती, चाचा नेहरू मन को लुभाती। बच्चों, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं आप सबको और हैप्पी दीपावली। थैंक यू।
चिल्ड्रेन, आज हूँ स्वाधीन भारतर प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जन्मदिन। जवाहरलाल नेहरू शिशु मान बहुत भल पाउथिले, सेथिपई शिशु माने मध्य तांको चाचा नेहरू बोली डाकुथिले। चाचा नेहरू मतरे शिशु होउछंती देशर अमूल्य संपद। शिशु मानकर विकास रे देशर विकास एवं शिशु हसिले जगत हसिब। तेणु तुम मान भितर तुम कुनी कुनी छुआ हेले तुम मान भितर बहुत गुड़े प्रतिभा भरी रही। तुम जदि एबेठू चेष्टा कर तुम प्रतिभा को उन्नति पथरे आगे पार, जहाद्वारा तुम्हें भविष्य में जड़े सुनागरिक हो पार। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रेन्स डे।
Happy Children's Day to my near and dear students. Today is the birthday of our former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. Children are the best creation of God as they spread joy in every season. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। आज नवेम्बर 14 शिशु दिवस। आज शिशु दिवस उपलक्षे मु तम समस्त को शिशु दिवस शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी। आज नेहरूंकर जन्मदिन मध्य, तेणु एही दिन रे शिशु दिवस पालन करा जाय थाए। एबे स्कूल बंद अछि बोली आमे तम मान को वीडियो थ्रू रु शुभेच्छा जनाऊँछु। तम माने भविष्य रे निजर उन्नति कर, भविष्य उज्जवल हो। तुम मान तुम्हें भलरे रुह, बापा मांकर ना रख, तुम निज ना रख, आउ तुम माने मध्य समस्ते भलरे रुह। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रेन्स डे। थैंक यू।
A very good morning children and a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Okay children? Children, we are very sad, as well as I know you people are also very sad that we are not celebrating Children's Day in the school. As you also know that this is a very crucial situation due to this COVID-19. We all are doing our work at home, staying at our home. So children, please be safe, okay? Please be a good child, obey your parents, okay children? And enjoy your day to the fullest, okay? And have a happy and a safe Diwali. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you a joy and success in whatever you do. So wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a very happy Diwali to everyone. So children, I have written a poem, so I want to dedicate to you all. Okay? So let's start. Be a wild, be a child. Be a wild, be a child. Jump, play and take a ride. Jump, play and take a ride. Smile wide and keep your phone aside. Smile wide and keep your phone aside. Give the kids your precious time. Give the kids your precious time. Give them wings and let them soar. Give them wings and let them soar. As little they won't be for very long. As little they won't be for very long. Have fun, enjoy their way. Have fun, enjoy their way. Let them have in their way. Let them have in their way. So children, wish you a very, very happy Children's Day and wish you and your family a very happy and safe Diwali. Okay children, please don't burn a lot of crackers. Okay, eat sweets, be safe, enjoy to the fullest and have lots and lots of fun. May God bless you with all His choicest blessings and may all be safe. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Happy Children's Day, my dear students. We celebrate this Children's Day across India for the rights and education of children. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November. As a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister known as Chachaji. He wanted to see every child should get a chance for education. So students, study well, enjoy, happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. I want to sing a few lines for you. बच्चे मन के सच्चे सारे जग की आँख के तारे तुम हो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे बच्चे मन के सच्चे. Thank you.
Before I conclude the video, I would like to say one famous quote by Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Okay children, have a healthy and a blessed life. Wish you all happy Children's Day and safe Diwali.
Happy Children's Day to you all and happy Diwali too. So now we are celebrating Children's Day through virtual classes, as we are doing virtual classes every day. So for doing virtual classes we need mobile phones, yes or no? So I'm going to talk about today mobile uses in pandemic period. So earlier parents won't allow children to look at mobile phone and children urge for that. But now in this pandemic period, many children got their personal mobile phones or laptop to continue with their studies. As they cannot lack the important part of your life in this pandemic period, that is your study. Being updated with technology is always good, but don't misuse it. Parents trust you, so do your live classes and take study material from mobile phones and hand over to your parents. Okay, so looking continuous in your mobile phones, your eyes getting irritated and your shoulders had pains, you are having headaches. So I'm going to tell you some of the meditation, or you must do some of the meditation and do some yoga or some exercise. It is must when you are at your home, as you cannot go out to play in this pandemic period. So the first exercise which you have to do with your eyes, that is, first what you have to do, you have to look whenever you have completed your studies and done your live classes. What you have to do, you have to close your eyes once, and then what you have to do, look first right. In this full right you will look at, then to the left, then up, then down. Okay, in this you will continue for 10 times. Okay, after doing this, what you have to do, you have to rotate your eyes. That means you have to continuously, that movement you have to do fast. Okay, that right, left, up and down. Okay, so continuously you have to move your eyes. So second what you have to do, to give relax to your shoulder also, what you have to do, you have to put your hands here and rotate it fully. Okay, full hand rotation also you can do it 5 or 10 times. Okay, and reverse also. Now to give relaxation to your neck, what you have to do, you have to lock your fingers and stretch your hand up straight. Okay, and stand on the toes and walk. Okay, at least walk for some distance, so that you can continue this for 5 to 10 times. Okay, so our next asana is that you have to exhale and inhale. Okay, to get your mind relaxed, what you have to do, you have to inhale and exhale. Okay, students, so these are the things which you must continue in your daily routine and add it to your daily routine, so that you can feel relaxed and be happy. So after doing all this thing, what you have to say, you must say this all things. Okay, after doing all this exercise, that I am healthy, I am blessed. Why you are blessed? You know, I am bright, I am intelligent, I am confident, I am joyful, I love myself, I thank myself. Okay, so once again I am wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day.